Hello everyone. Welcome to PA Wealth and Investment Services Group. We are into equities, mutual funds, insurance and other investment services. You are always welcome to contact us. Read stock research updates on our blog, link is given in the description box below. You can call or WhatsApp 9988275566 to know more. We would be delighted to share with you our latest thoughts or discuss your investment objectives in greater detail. Now let's begin our video. Today we will talk about Can Fin Homes Limited. Can Fin Homes Limited, incorporated in the year 1987, is one of the reputed housing finance companies in India. About Can Fin Homes Limited. The company is promoted by Canara Bank in association with reputed financial institutions including HDFC and UTI. Mr. B. Ratnakar was the founder chairman. Can Fin Homes was the first housing finance company floated by any nationalized bank in the country. Today, along with the housing loan products, the company also provides many non-housing products and is among the top players in the country's housing finance sector. Executive Board Members. Mr. Girish Kosgi. Mr. Girish Kosgi is the current Managing Director as well as CEO of the company. He has a postgraduate degree in Business Administration. Mr. Kosgi is a banking professional with a rich experience of over 25 years in various organizations like HDFC Limited, ICICI Bank, IDFC Bank and Tata Capital. He took over as the Managing Director and CEO of company with effect from September 5, 2019. Mr. Shrikant M. Bhandiwad. Mr. Shrikant M. Bhandiwad is the present Deputy Managing Director of Can Fin Homes Limited. He is a postgraduate in agricultural science and also a CAIIB. He joined Canara Bank in 1994 as an officer and has achieved his high office by virtue of 26 years of commercial banking experiences in the states of Haryana, Rajasthan and Karnataka. Mr. Lingam Venkat Prabhakar. Mr. LV Prabhakar is the current MD and CEO of Canara Bank, promoter of Can Fin Homes. He holds a master's degree in agriculture and is also a certified associate of Indian Institute of Bankers. Mr. Prabhakar has assumed the office of MD and CEO of Canara Bank on the 1st of February 2020. Shareholding pattern of Can Fin Homes. Lending portfolio. The company offers range of loan products under housing segment and non-housing segments. The products basket covers individual housing loans for construction, purchase, extension, repairs and renovation, site purchase, composite loan, loans for rural housing, loans for urban housing, etc. And also non-housing loans like mortgage loans, personal loans to existing customers, loans for commercial property, loans for rent receivables, etc. Category-wise lending mix is on the 31st of March 2021. Product-wise lending mix. During financial year 2021, salaried and professionals contribute 73% to the total loan book of the company as compared to 71% in financial year 2020. On the other hand, contribution of non-salaried class, self-employed and non-professionals decreased to 27% against 29% in financial year 2020. This is mainly because of the recovery time for self-employed non-professional from COVID with respect to business loss would be slightly longer. Here is the market share of Can Fin Homes. The share of Can Fin Homes in the NBFC housing finance sector on the basis of AUM is 1.90% as on December 2020. Company's contribution to housing finance sector has shown a constant growth over the years. Can Fin's share has increased from 1.70% in 2019 to 1.80% in 2020 and from 1.80% to 1.90% in December 2020. Can Fin Homes loan book. Loan approvals and loan disbursement. During financial year 2021, company's loan disbursement stands at Rs 4,346 crore against Rs 5,481 crore in financial year 2020. On the other hand, new loan approvals are Rs 4,634 crore in financial year 2021, out of which 87% of fresh loan approvals during the year are for housing loans. Loan book classification. Can Fin's housing loan has been grown at a CAGR of 18% over past 6 fiscal years, showing a consistent and considerable growth. In financial year 2021, company's housing loans grew by 7% to rupees 19,972 crore as compared to rupees 18,676.95 crore in the previous fiscal year. On the other hand, non-housing loan segment of the company grew to rupees 2,133 crore against rupees 2,028 crore in financial year 2020, showing increment of 5%. Also, this segment of the company has shown a significant and regular growth over last years. Non-housing segment of Can Fin grew at a CAGR of 15% over past 6 years. Interest parameters. Interest income. Can Fin's interest income includes interest on loans, interest income from investments, interest on deposits with banks and other interest income. Interest expend. Net interest income. Can Fin's net interest income has grown drastically over the years. Net interest income of the company grew at a CAGR of 28% of last 6 financial years. Interest spread. Company interest spread has shown a moderate growth over past 6 years. In the year 2021, interest spread of the company stands at 2.78% as compared to 2.45% in the last fiscal year. NIM percent. Net interest margin in Q4 2021 grew to 3.88% from 3.52% in March 2020. Going forward, the company is to keep aggressive pricing policy that will lead to gradual fall in NIM guidance, as NIM shall be maintained below near to 3% and interest spread to be maintained 2.4%. But it will take some time. Can Fin Homes branch network. The company has been continuously expanding its network of branches. Though Can Fin's presence in southern states is dominant, new branches have been opened in various parts of the country. Moreover, the company has planned to add about 18 to 20 branches this year. Operational parameters of Can Fin Homes. Average yield on asset. Company's average yield on assets has decreased from 11.27% in financial year 2015 to 9.49% in 2021. Cost to income ratio. Company's cost to income ratio decreased from 25.61% in the year 2015 to 15.33% in the fiscal year 2021. On the other hand, it has decreased to 15.33% against 15.68% in the previous year 2020. Capital adequacy ratio. Company's CAR increased from 18.39% in 2015 to 22.26% in 2020 and to 25.63% in the year 2021. Can Fin's net sales has shown a good growth over the years and grew at a CAGR of 23% over the last 11 financial years. The company has delivered a substantial profit growth over last 11 years and grew at a CAGR of 25%. Company's PBIDT margin has grown well over the years. On the other hand, Can Fin's PAT margin has shown a stable growth over last 11 years. Company has been maintaining a healthy track record of return on assets and return on equity over past 11 years. Opportunities. Diversified loan products portfolio. Can Fin Homes has a quality diversified product portfolio. Since inception, company's focus has mainly been on housing loans to individuals. But today, along with housing loan products, company also offers non-housing loans to cater the demand of various customers at competitive interest rates. Strong parent. Can Fin Homes is promoted by Canara Bank, which has about 30% stake in the company as of the 31st of March 2021. Canara Bank is one of the leading PSU banks in India. The company has both operational and financial support from parent company, including management guidance and access to its large branch network, which supports sourcing. Because of brand sharing and financial support from parent company benefits from lower cost of funds. Focus on salaried segment. The company is present in the relatively lower budget housing loan segment, and its customers primarily comprise first-time home buyers, government employees and the middle income population segment. A superior track record. The company is a sizable player in the housing finance industry with assets under management of rupees 22,105 crore on the 31st of March 2021. That's it for today. Read complete financial analysis of Can Fin Homes Limited in detail by visiting our blog. Link is given in the description box below. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and share this video. Also subscribe our channel for latest updates. Don't forget to press the bell icon.